Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Wednesday, January 15th.
Yeah! It's RCEB release day. Let's get some sunlight in here, head on down to the man cave, wake up, and rip open some packs. I'm not about to waste any time. We've got the box all unpacked. Put it in the order that I want to open them. Here's a very quick list of the packs, and I'll read over the hits that are possible as we go through them. First up is going to be 1982 Topps O-Pee-Chee. This is new to the RCEB, I believe. And it's BDCE certified. Do I want to eat this? How about if we have a really huge monster hit in this box, I will film myself at the very end actually eating that piece of gum that is approaching 40 years old. But we're going to get right into that pack. Steve Rogers, Kevin Saucier, Tony Armas, Bill Buckner, he's with the Cubs, John Wathan, Bert Hooton, Ron Smalley, Craig Nettles in action, Oju, and Pat Zachary. Well, hopefully that's a good sign. If anything looks like it's out of whack here, it's because my floor tripod went timber right into that whole setup. Everything fell off. So I was just putting the gum to the side, looking to potentially use it in the future if we hit something good. We're going to get right into 2019 Minor League. So sorry about that. Got the Heritage pack here. Looking for Wander Franco, J-Rod, Hellenic, Joey Bart too, possibly. JB Bookhouse, I can't even read that. Got a batting leaders. Grant Lavigne. There's a Jared Kelenic insert. Fresh on the scene. Luis Garcia. Alejandro Kirk. Khalil Lee. And Joe Jacques. Next up will be a 2015 Topps update. We are looking for Lindor, Correa, Chris Bryant, and Joey Gallo are the biggest hits. A couple others in here. Rick Porcello. These are the Sox. Jose Urena, rookie card. Mark Melanson, All-Star Game. Matt Latos. Tom Seaver insert. Got a foil card of Kelly Johnson. Hector Santiago. Probably boosts his value just because he's sitting there with Trout. Combined rookie card of those guys. Chichi Gonzalez. I think he was a golfer at one point. And Didi Gregorius. Up to 17 Series 1 with Bregman, Judge, Benintendi, Moncada, Josh Bell, and a handful of others. Jacoby Ellsbury. Rest in peace, buddy. Gabriel Yanoa. He didn't die, everyone. His Yankees career, rest in peace. King Felix. Shin Chu. An insert of an MLB host. Might be tough to grade in a 10, that black border. Aaron Noel. Phillies team card. Orioles team card. Wade LeBlanc. And Tyler Waite. Looks like that 30-year-old gum is still safe. Moving on to 2017 update. Mainly Bellinger, Judge, I think Bregman in here, Moncada. This is the year Moncada moved from the Red Sox to a White Sox uniform. Clayton Richard, Edison Volquez, Luis Castillo, rookie card. Dallas Keuchel, insert of Spawn, Untouchables. It's going off to one of my best buddies, who was a huge Spawn fan. Jose Ramirez All-Star Game card. Rendon. Thought that was rainbow foil at first. I guess not. The Jesse Winker rookie card. Brad Hand. Nolan Arenado All-Star Game. And classic duos of Wright and Floyd. Up to 2010 Topps Chrome. Mainly looking for Giancarlo Stanton as well as Steven Strasburg. Oh, such tiny packs from the Chrome. Certainly lessens the odds of a decent hit. Michael Kadire. Michael Young. Ubaldo Jimenez. And Josh Johnson. 93 Score Select is going to be next. I actually just purchased this Derek Jeter in a PSA 9. We are less than 1 week away from him almost certainly getting into the Hall of Fame, if not with 100% of the vote. See if I can match what I just purchased. Fly through these. It's only going to be one hit. An Ozzie Smith All-Star. Get towards the end. And a Roger Clemens to round it out. Up is the Heritage High 2018. Looking for Glaber, Ohtani, Acuna, Austin Meadows. Saved a lot of the 2018 towards the end. Oh man. Let's not do any damage to these cards, shall we? Starting out with a rookie card. Bartolo Colon, the Ageless Wonder. Mitch Garver. Miguel Rojas. Matt Kemp. Logan Morrison, causing all the controversy with the Astros and Red Sox. Franchi Cordero. Matt Adams. And end it on Tyler Beatty. 18 update is next. Everybody knows this product, and the fact that Filmington is sitting on so many boxes of this, and he got in on the ground floor for pricing. Good for him. Oh, there we go. I don't know if it's gum worthy, but that's a nice start to the pack. He always seems to be sitting out on top. Jay Bruce. Freddie Freeman. And the collation of these packs are almost always the same, too, when I hit a Soto. There's a gold of Steve Cishek. Storybook endings of Koufax. Insert. Matt Moore. Dan Otero. Of course, we got Ohtani and Trout on there. And Lagares to round it out. 19 Chrome is going to be next. Tatis, Alonso, Vladdy, and Jimenez. Just pulled a Jimenez base card off of Com C. Miguel Cabrera, Osadillo, rookie card. There's a nice one. Shohei, 1984, and Matt Duffy. I think we got just 2 packs left up to 19 Series 2. Pretty much the same guys as the Chrome. Body's going to be a short print in here. Caleb Ferguson. Chisenhall. Straw. Smoke. Giolito. Not a big fan of the sideways cards, but I'll take that if a Tatis is coming. 84 of Clemens. Wow, it looks so natural on the 84, doesn't it? Pedro Baez. Chris Owings. Chacin. Plutko. Ryan McMahon. Max Stassi. And last of the pack is Mike Montgomery. Last of the bunch. I definitely saved the best too. 2012. Topps Heritage. One and only Mr. Fishy Fishy. Come on, baby. Daddy's hungry for some gum. Delaware. Victor Martinez, Robinson Cano, Mike Adams, Duda, Ricky Stars. We're going to take a quick peek at this one. I don't think Trout's on anything like that. Insert World Series foes. Pujols. There's a rookie cup. Didn't do so well. And we're back to the beginning. That's going to be it. Well, nothing overwhelming in volume 13, but still want to do a recap, and I've got a nice hit at the very end. Got this gold Steve Cishek. Out of the 93 select, Ozzie Smith, as well as Roger Clemens. I don't know if Jesse Winker was on the list, but I'm putting him in there anyway. Rainbow foil, the only rainbow we hit out of all the packs. Insert of Jared Kelenic. Love seeing these two together. Let's just put them on the screen side by side. Got the 84 insert of Clemens, along with the Ohtani from 19 Chrome. And the hit of the box. Always nice to see coming out of here. Likely another grading candidate. I'll be sending off Mr. Juan Soto. Paper base. Topps Update 2018. Wish this was a rainbow foil, but it'll do for now. Thanks again, as always, for tuning in. If you like what you see, please hit that like and subscribe button. Ring the bell for any notifications in the future. I've got a lot of stuff in the works, including a update on that 1 million card rip for Topps Series 1 going down in February. And I'm going to be involved in that. I'll be straight up, I'm not going there for the event. I really wish I was, to go film and see what it was all about, just kind of do it behind the scenes. That would have been wonderful, but it's not open to the public, and I also don't live in the area. So stay tuned for that. It'll be coming out very soon. But again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you at the next video. Bowman 1951 out.